Hello everyone, my name is Professor Mega. Today we are going to learn about light. But what is light? Can you give me some examples of light? Well, is it something coming from a lamp, a candle, or a sun? Not quite. You answered the part about visible light. Let's talk about that later. But first, we need to know about a light wave. But what is a light wave? Teacher, what is a light wave? Student 1, is it a little wave like you wave to someone when you see them? Student 2, no, it is a wave that the ocean makes when the wind is strong. Teacher, try again. You're wrong. Student 1, then who's waving? Haha, tricked you. Light is made up of tiny blips called photons. Photons are never still. They whiz along in the form of light waves. You can imagine them as tiny little superheroes zooming through the air with awesome powers. Light waves have measurable length, height, or duration, or frequency, just like ocean waves. Electromagnetic spectrum is a range of light waves. When arranged from long to short wavelengths, they form a part of the electromagnetic spectrum. The shorter the wavelengths, the more powerful and dangerous they are. We all divide the spectrum into 7 sections: radio, microwave, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. In the middle of this spectrum is visible light. Visible light is the normal light humans can see. When you look at it, it appears white, but it is actually not. It is made up of 7 colors of the rainbow. When white light shines through a prism or through water vapor like this rainbow, the white light is broken apart into the colors of the visible light spectrum. Radio waves have the longest wavelengths. It is often used to transmit data like radio, satellite, radar, or computer network. Some kinds of radio waves are FM and AM radio. FM or AM radios can be installed in cars, so you can listen to radio while driving or enjoying a car trip with your family. Also, radio waves are used for many things today. Broadcasting, communication satellites, and computer phones use them. A microwave is a kind of high-frequency radio wave. One of the most common uses of microwaves is to heat food quickly. Microwave ovens are possible because microwaves can be used to transmit thermal energy. But how was the microwave invented? Great question. The discovery of this phenomenon was purely accidental. It was invented by Percival Spencer, an electronics genius. One day, he was touring on Winner's lab. Spencer stopped in front of a magnetron, the power tube that drives a radio set. Suddenly, he noticed that the candy bar in his pocket began to melt. Further investigation led him to make the first batch of microwave popcorn as well as the first exploding egg. Infrared light, or called IR for short, is a kind of invisible light. There are many kinds of IR. One example is night vision instruments. Night vision instruments are used to see objects in the dark night. That's exactly right. Soldiers use them to see enemies hidden in the dark night. Oh my gosh! How can they spot us at night? Are they spying on us? Ultraviolet or UV has shorter wavelengths than visible light. Although UV is visible to human eye, some insects, such as bumblebees, can see them. But UV is dangerous to humans. They can cause premature aging of the skin and sun damage. They will remind you of the sun. Sunshine includes a great amount of strong UV. Every time you go to the beach, remember to get on some sunscreen and sunglasses. It's just like that. Some lights are very dangerous. Doctors use radiation or X-rays to see bones in your body because they can penetrate the soft tissue like skin, muscles, and can take pictures of bones. But X-rays are actually everywhere. They are invisible, but they are always hidden by your side. They exist in nature, radiating from outer space, rocks, and even the soil. Although you cannot see them or feel them, they are incredibly strong and powerful, and they have much higher energy than visible light. The shortest wavelengths, which also means the strongest light ever in the whole universe, is the gamma ray. Gamma rays appear when a planet explodes, or when two planets crash together and explode. Do you know, if a gamma ray hit a planet, the planet will be destroyed. But don't worry if a gamma ray hit Earth, because Earth has a super thick atmosphere that can block them, so you're all safe. Now you know how awesome light is. Oh, it's nighttime. I can't see anything. Maybe I'll light up a candle. Oh, I can't see anything except a small bright dot. Boom! Run! It's a gamma ray! Now that's too much light. I don't want it. Ouch! Ouch! Subscribe to your channel. Our channel is LightUp Kid Science. LightUp Kid Physics.